Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about, again, one of those neglected machines, your heavy harrow. Usually they get hooked onto, at the last minute and away you go to the field. So again, like we talked about last week with the roller, get that harrow hooked up, pull it up, jack the wheels up, check to make sure that they're tight. If not, you can pull the caps off and tighten the bearings. Make sure you give them some grease, and if you're greasing them, give them a good turn. Make sure that all of your pivot pins on your hinges and on your flex joints, that the retaining bolts are all there. Sometimes those have a tendency to break if things get dry, so make sure that those bolts are there so that you don't lose a pin, at 8, 10, 12 miles an hour. And then give everything a good grease. Check for any broken tines, but just give it a good once over. It's kind of nice with the weather getting warmer. There's time, we're not quite ready to seed yet, so give it that quick check over, and then you'll have trouble-free days when you're out there trying to get harrowing done. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.